Hello everyone, this is your Harshit. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to optimize a solution and customization of a smartphones. After buying a new smartphones, you have thought that customizing new attractive and hard cases to the smartphones that can be done by smartphone showroom or any. So guys, here in this video I'm not going to use a Nova launcher because the main drawback of using a Nova launcher is I'm going to back up my whole files and I'm going to back up whole data, and I have also reboot the system, so it become my difficult path to a new beginners of smartphones. So I'm not going to use that on this video. Beginning of this video, you have to check you have hit the subscription bell icon or not to get the more notification on this channel. First things that comes into our mind while customizing the phone is setting about wallpapers. So yeah, I'm using the Xiaomi Note 7. Yes, and let me see the inbuilt themes in it comparing to Vivo and Realme. The Xiaomi gives a variety of themes, inbuilt themes in it. So go to categories and you can access a lot number of themes based on categories. So you have nature, travel, dark and light, black and white, cartoon, tool style, and so you can also search things based on new arrivals. These are all the first were free and others are premium, and other for premium account holders, and you can search for more things. You can get sci-fi things, you can get sci-fi background for your mobile, download free, attach the file, and you can get this device for where you can search a lot of people's that and other two apps are also the one is AMOLED walls. You might have seen this app in some other videos, I don't know, but I strongly prefer this one. So I can go to collections and search for this. You might search what wallpapers you want in a search engine, and I'll go to okay. You can get a lot of things here. So one, if we choose interesting one, so brush tool, click on brush tool and you will get a lot of options here and select what you want. So this is one app called Koki, where you got lot of wallpapers, and the second one, the first one was default theme, second one was AMOLED walls, and third one was we see is wardrobe. So here we can see pretty interesting images. So what interesting in this app is, so you can also see the details of the app. You can see here camera, make the camera, shot on drone, DJ model FCC 220. You also see aperture, focal length, exposure, ISO, and also on what date it was created, how many likes it has got, and how many downloads. So and also what is location of this place, who shot the photo. So these much details are given in this app. So when compared to all the theme giving apps, this is considered as one of the best. So you can stock for many amount of wallpapers here. So you have timeline here, and by categories if you want search, and you can come to this one and this one and search. In the download button, click the below, the image will be saved in wardrobe folder. So go to downloads and click on image, that set it as wallpaper, and that's it. So you have pretty cool images that can be set as wallpaper. Wardrobe is another one. The another one is 4K wallpaper, and that also work as same as AMOLED walls. So I'm going to give in the link in the description below. See, but have not app in the right now. So the basic thing what should be done, it is a wallpaper in that we saw in that apps. that wide range of apps, sorry, wallpapers, and also we saw now. The more thing we use now is volume buttons. So we have one more app called volumes files. So here is one, so you can switch to any mode you want. You have Android, iOS, One UI. You have red green back animating layer, that is to premium members. You have waves. You have color OS, that comes in really Oppo. And you have MI and Paranoid Android, OnePlus. You have EMI, have Realme UI, Windows 10. You have also have iOS 12, and have pretty much more. So let's try one and see how it works. I'll try knob. Come here. So here you can adjust volume, and the effect is also, yeah, it's cool. So here I have the notification settings on the volume style window, and also screenshot. And you can also have options you want by clicking on the plus icon. So I'll add turn off screen, and one other one, it had mute media volume. These four options I had on volume style icon. So you can switch between the music and the notification, alarm, and the phone. So this is pretty much cool. You can control very easily. Just you scroll your fingers on, rotate your fingers, and all the options are same. If you want to make your notification panel to be attractive, I have another app called OneShield. Once you on it, it is asking permission, go on more and more download services, and once here, and give the permission to access. Click on op keys and it's on. So let's see on it had been implemented or not. So now we can see that very cool notification panel have been set up here. All the icons have been changed. It's much attractive when compared to previous one. We can also change the colors. It's really customize your phone very beautiful manner. You can also this if you are one-handed user, there is another app called bottom settings. This what it is does, let's see now. Click on service, set some mark on near home button. On upon the home button, what it is, simply move the mark upwards. So now you can access some of the options here. So you can access some of the important settings here: data, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, synchronization of data. And you can also edit that in the settings panel. You can go to directly the default settings panels. They have a lot of apps.